Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to make money with TikTok Shop Live. And so what I've found when it comes to making money from TikTok Shop Lives is that the majority of your traffic, so when you actually go live, TikTok is going to push viewers to your live stream. The majority of your traffic really depends on product selection. So product selection is very important. I've realized that going live with more viral products tends to yield more viewers being pushed to my live stream. So if you take a look at my showcase, I'll just explain some products that I've gone live stream with and it's worked well versus products which I haven't gone live stream with just because there's not enough sold. So with TikTok Shop Live, it does help if you're part of the creator program. But again, product selection is key. So if you see this men's cartoon bear print round neck shirts, only 1,000 have been sold. TikTok Shop really won't push that as much as compared to other products which have sold a lot more. So I'd say a rule of thumb is that try going live with a viral product, basically a product that has sold a lot of. So this Fantech Slim V8 cordless vacuum, I've live streamed a lot and I've made a lot of sales from. And as you can see, 50,000 of it have been sold. So you don't want to go for products that only have like 1,000 sold or 500 sold. Really try to aim for products which are being already live streamed by others on TikTok and also have a lot of being sold already on TikTok as well. This Govee TV backlight is probably my best seller on a live stream, and as you can see, there's a common theme. The vacuum has 50,000 sold and the backlight has 22,000 sold, and that's helped make a lot of sales. Now again, product selection is very key, but there's also other factors to it, like being able to hook people, the art of actually selling, being able to actually have a nice scene set up when people land on your live stream. All those take into account, but again, the coldest limitless water bottle I've also sold a lot of. So the common theme that you can see from my showcase based on products that have worked and based on products that have not worked is that the products that have worked, the vacuum, the light, 20,000 sold, 50,000 sold, and then you have the coldest limitless water bottle, 45,000 sold. Those have all sold well for me on a live stream. So product selection is key. Go live for at least 40 to 45 minutes. And if you haven't made a sale at all, I would say switch products. It really is all about product selection. And the weird thing is, like, if I go live on a coldest limitless water bottle and then you go live on a coldest limitless water bottle, it doesn't mean that you're going to get viewers pushed to your live. You might, but vice versa, if you go live with the coldest limitless bottle and I go live with the coldest limitless bottle, you might get viewers, but then I might not. So it really depends. There's a lot of split testing, A/B split testing when it comes to going live stream, but highly recommend doing so. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know down below.